Let's talk about the one thing you only notice when it breaks: your boiler. Because no heating, no hot water isn't an inconvenience. In housing law terms, it can tip into a serious health risk, especially in winter. Here's the key point. Landlords, including councils and housing associations, have legal duties to keep heating and hot water systems in repair. That duty sits under Section 11 of the Landlord and Tenant Act 1985, boilers, pipes, electrics. It's not optional. And from the 27th of October 2025, AWAB's law puts hard timeframes on social landlords for dealing with hazards, including emergency hazards, within 24 hours, with formal investigation and repair steps for serious issues. So why do councils delay? The Housing Ombudsman has been blunt. Repairs are the biggest driver of complaints, with rising volumes, contractor bottlenecks, weak communication, and failures in how repairs are managed. At Abraham's Solicitors, we handle boiler and heating disrepair by building the timeline, pinning down the legal duty, pushing for urgent fixes, and, where appropriate, pursuing compensation. Information only, not legal advice. If your heating's been booked in since last month, call us today.